perfect cast iron skillet steak. Ingredients: 1. One thick-cut steak of your choice, ribeye, sirloin, or filet. 2. Coarse salt, kosher or sea salt. 3. Fresh rosemary and thyme, or ground black pepper. 5. Olive oil or vegetable oil. Instructions: prepare the steak. 1. Pat the steak dry with paper towels to remove excess moisture. 1. This helps achieve a crispy exterior. 2. Sprinkle a generous amount of coarse salt over the steak, covering both sides. 2. Place the steak on a plate and let it sit in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour or ideally overnight. 2. This process enhances flavor and tenderness. Bring the steak to room temperature. 1. Remove the steak from the refrigerator and let it come to room temperature for about 30-60 minutes. 1. This ensures even cooking. Preheat the cast iron skillet. 1. Place your cast iron skillet on high heat. 1. Allow it to preheat for at least 5 to 7 minutes until it's smoking hot. Season with herbs. 1. While the skillet is heating, season the steak with freshly ground black pepper. 1. Sprinkle chopped fresh rosemary and thyme on both sides of the steak for an aromatic flavor boost. Sear the steak. 1. Drizzle a bit of oil into the hot skillet. 1. Carefully place the steak in the center. 1. Sear the first side for about 1-2 minutes until a golden brown crust forms. Flip and repeat. 1. Flip the steak using tongs and sear the other side for an additional 1-2 minutes. 1. This quick flip ensures a beautiful sear on both sides, locking in juices. Check internal temperature. 1. Use a meat thermometer to check the internal temperature of the steak. 1. For medium rare, aim for 130 degree, 54 degrees C, but adjust based on your preference. 1. Remember, the steak will continue cooking as it rests. Rest the steak. 1. Remove the steak from the skillet and place it on a cutting board. 1. Tent it loosely with foil and let it rest for at least 5-10 minutes. 1. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a juicy and flavorful steak. Slice and serve. 1. Slice the steak against the grain for optimal tenderness. 1. Plate the slices, drizzle with any resting juices, and garnish with additional fresh herbs if desired. Enjoy! 1. Serve your perfectly cooked cast iron skillet steak with your favorite sides and savor the delicious flavors and textures you've created. Follow these detailed steps, and you'll master the art of cooking a mouth-watering cast iron skillet steak every time. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit notification bell.